Welcome, drone video fans. My name is Bill, and this 5.5-minute video is going to take a look at the Grand River, the upgraded work on the Harpersfield Dam and Eel Trap, and some general overall scenery in the area. We took off here just south of the covered bridge here at the Harpersfield Dam, and you can see what we're going to be looking at first and flying over is the old part of the dam that you see there right in front of us. This is basically an inverted V piece of concrete that's hollow in the center, and water flows over it, and it really didn't provide much protection to having eels flow from or swim up from Lake Erie and get upstream into some of the other rivers, streams, and creeks. So in the distance there, you can see beyond the fish ladder is a section, the section of the new dam and eel trap, which they have completed, and water is now flowing over. They still have some debris from the roadway they made to be able to access and put that in and remove that. There you see it on the right side of the dam itself, and we're just going to fly slowly over. There's already a branch stuck on the top over there, but looks like it'd be fairly easy for people to walk down the flat part. There's the curved part on the right of the new section of the dam, and then a vertical face, and then a flat part, and then it falls off. That vertical face is what's supposed to keep the eels from moving upstream. We're coming now to the new restraining wall that they built, which is several feet higher than the old one, and beyond that you see a bunch of construction equipment which they have sitting there where the paved parking lot used to be. So a lot of the material that they used to make that land bridge to construct the dam is still located there, along with the construction equipment. I do hope they restore the parking lot area. We're sort of swinging around here. You can see there's another parking lot where there's a building for tourists, and you can see the American flag almost hanging straight out to show how much wind there was down here. This is the extension of the covered bridge, which was added early 1900s when this whole section of land was washed away by a once in 500-year flood. And you see the old Harpersfield covered bridge. If you're into covered bridges, I have a whole list of the 19 covered bridges of Ashtabula County that you can see. And now we're turning back, and we're over the new section, and there's a little section there where they've removed the debris that they have there, and you can see the water's just gushing through there. But that'll be closed up, and once they get the rest of the project finished. Weather has been quite a factor in limiting the number of videos that I've been putting out, and will be for the rest of the winter months. You can see that in the background there's another piece of construction equipment with a big pile of rocks and so on and so forth that they're going to use to dam off this southern side of the dam and complete it. When that's going to get done, I'm not sure at all. So we're going to rise up here and get a little bit of a shot. Now this is at 1x looking down river in the direction that it flows towards Lake Erie, and then we decided to use the 2x zoom, and it does make a sizable difference, and the quality of the video holds up very well. As you can see, there's still lots of leaves on the tree. This was shot November 10th, and lots of color. The river itself affords a little bit of protection. We're sort of descending here on the old section of the dam just to get a view of the water flowing over it. I always like to get these water shots. They're kind of scenic in nature, and a lot of people like them. Now we're making our way back to the launch point. You can see me there in my blue hoodie, freezing. It's a little over 40 degrees. Now it's about 26 here. We had a little bit of snow recently, so As I said, videos are going to be tougher now that the weather is turning. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick view of the latest work done here at this project. Leave a comment if you're so inclined. We appreciate you coming and watching these videos because they're a lot of work to produce. Thanks for stopping by and watching.